I needed a new sprinkler controller, but I didn't want to pay $500 to $800 to get one installed. Before I started unboxing, I noticed a rebate code on the box. My zip code didn't have an active offer, but after searching different locations, there are some significant rebate programs out there that can essentially pay for the sprinkler. After a lot of research, I settled on the Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller. My Amazon affiliate links are in the description of this video, so please use those if you plan to buy. In the box, you will receive the control panel with a magnetic faceplate, a power adapter, and 3 mounting screws. You'll need to start by removing your old control panel by unplugging the power adapter. Then find where all the wires are mounted. You'll likely need a screwdriver to unscrew these connections. Be sure to take a picture of the wires so you know which color corresponds to the zone it should be wired to. I'm going to mount the top screw to give me some support while I plug in the wires. I should have just screwed in the bottom 2 screws at this point, but I was rushing. You'll need to use the picture as a reference to install the wires into the correct zone. I only have 6 sprinkler zones, so I won't use zones 7 and 8. For the ports that say C or COM, that stands for the common wire, M stands for master valve, and S1 and S2 are for the sensor wires. If you have those, I do not have the sensor wires, so I'll leave those ports empty. Next, you'll plug in your power adapter. This whole process took me under 20 minutes to complete. Your next step is you'll want to install your Rachio app on your phone so that you can program the controller. You need your phone to scan the QR code that's located on your controller. Within the app, you can set up a reoccurring schedule or do a one-time quick run, picking which zone and how long you want it to run for. With consistent watering, you can turn your dry lawn into a green, lush wonderland. You'll have your neighbors thinking, maybe the grass is greener on the other side. If this video was helpful, I have my Amazon links to the Rachio products in the description.